Butter chicken is the bee's knees, and we're making some. Begin by toasting your spices for the marinade, which are 2 tablespoons of Garam Masala, 1 tablespoon of Paprika, a half teaspoon of Cayenne, and 2 tablespoons of Ground Cumin. Once fragrant, make your marinade, which is 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of ginger, finely grated. Quick tip on how to process ginger at home. Freeze it, and then grate it with a cheese grater or a microplane. No need to peel it or anything. Then add your toasted spices and give it a taste so you know what it adds to the dish. Next, prep 2.5 pounds of boneless chicken. I used boneless skinless breast, butterflied it, and cut the pieces in half. Drench the chicken in the thick marinade and pour any extra marinade on top. Cover and refrigerate for 4 to 5 hours. While the chicken is marinating, I prep the cashew cream, which is 1 cup of raw cashews toasted in a tablespoon of olive oil with a hefty sprinkle of salt. You can buy roasted salted cashews, but I prefer this. Yikes. Add 3/4 cup of water and puree. It's going to be thick, so don't worry. This will help you when you brown it later. Dice 1 large onion and saute in 2 to 4 tablespoons of butter until translucent. Butter chicken originated from leftover marinades being mixed with a butter-rich tomato sauce. Though this recipe only has 2 to 4 tablespoons, this is where the beautiful dish got its name from. Mince a head of garlic with another tablespoon or 2 of ginger. Add the garlic and ginger and saute until fragrant. Then add your last 2 tablespoons of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Once the spices become fragrant, add the cashew cream from earlier and let it get to a medium brown. This will add a considerable amount of flavor. Next, add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. I use an immersion blender at this point to minimize chunks. It's not necessary, I just like dirtying things for aesthetic. Let this cook down to your desired flavor. Put your oven on its highest broiler setting and place the chicken on a rack over a foil-lined baking sheet. This just helps with cleanup. Any leftover marinade should be put into the sauce that's reducing. Just let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes before tasting. All of that masala, cumin, cayenne, and yogurt will change the dish tremendously. Don't waste this flavor. Now, traditionally this chicken is cooked in a tandoori oven. I don't know about you, but I don't have a tandoor in my home, so the broiler it is for 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. The grill will also be fine. Let the chicken cool, then slice into strips. Add these into your sauce along with a whole bunch of chopped cilantro and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Adjust the salt and acid to your liking and serve. It's rich in heavy spices, but the cilantro, lime, and tomato make it a lighter dish. You won't feel heavy and disgusting after, which sometimes happens with these kinds of rich, hearty, saucy dishes. The difficulty here is following the components of the dish and having a schedule planned. The process is very simple, it's nothing we haven't done before, so just plan out your day and you'll be okay.